When visiting Firebase.studio, you now see a box where you can enter a prompt. This is where you can start your app development journey with your idea. I've been feeling the urge to watch more of what I eat, so I've decided to build an app that can help me estimate food macros via an image. In the prototyper box, I'll type in that I want help building an app to estimate my macronutrients of meals that I am eating. I could also submit a sketch of the screens I want to have in the app, but as I mentioned before, I am terrible at UI design. If you are not like me, you can upload your screen designs using the attachment button, and Firebase Studio will attempt to replicate those. Once I click the Prototype with AI button, the editor presents me with a blueprint which I can edit to be more specific on the features I want. I can click the editing option and update the blueprint as I see fit. When I am satisfied with the blueprint, I click Prototype this app to continue the development process. This takes a moment, but thankfully, this is not going to be boring. I can just watch the code Firebase Studio is generating for me. Nice. Once Firebase Studio has finished generating my app, I will be presented with a web UI of my app. Neat. Since the main use case of my app will require using Gemini to analyze what's in the images I upload, I need to provide an API key. As you can see in the chat panel on the right, Firebase Studio can get an API key for me. That's so convenient. Once the key is generated, I can test out the app. Let me upload a photo of what I want for dinner. Nice. Now let's see if I can also use the camera to take a picture. Well, that doesn't seem to work properly, so let me request the prototyper to make an update to the existing app. When the prototyper edits, I'm going to go grab a snack. The prototyper edits the already created code. Once it's done, it presents that new edition of the app for me to view. In case I am not quite happy with the changes it made, I can easily revert to a previous version by clicking on the Restore button. But this change actually looks good to me, and I am keen to share this app with my family and friends. Click the Publish button in the upper right-hand corner to publish the app to production. This app is a Next.js app which is supported by Firebase App Hosting, our next-gen app hosting solution for modern web apps. So when I hit that Publish button, Firebase Studio will publish my app using Firebase App Hosting and even create a Firebase project for me.
Breaking for lunch!
Guy, hey, I'm not done.
Yeah, whatever.